All right, here we go into fraction division. First, we're going to take a half and divide it by 3, but what I need you all to do is to think really hard about which technique this should be. Are we going to do this by sharing, partitive, dealing out or sharing this half of a pizza with 3 people, or are we going to use subtractive or measurement where we figure out how many 3s we can take away from a half? Pause the video and decide which one you like. Did you decide which one would work? Are we going to take this half of a pizza and share it evenly amongst 3 people, or are we going to take away 3 multiple times from the 1/2? I'm assuming most of you have come up with partitive or dealing out or sharing, because it's impossible to take 3 away from a half even once, so we can't do the subtractive technique. So we're going to do the partitive dealing or sharing, partitive dealing out or sharing technique. So we have to take this half of a pizza. Here's the half of a pizza. All right. We'll bring back that first part in a little bit. We need to break it evenly for 3 people. So we're going to cut it, boom, boom, to share it evenly amongst 3 people. Once we've made the additional slices we needed to, we've got our half and we're sharing it evenly amongst 3 people. So we definitely needed to do the partitive technique. But then we have to talk about, well, what is our actual answer and how badly I cut things up? Please pretend like this piece is the same size as those 2, or just let me have that piece. So dividing fractions is best done with actual cut up manipulatives, but I don't have them right now. So let's talk about the actual arithmetic operation now. The operation you're used to doing is 1/2 divided by 3. We can look at this a couple ways. It's 1/2 divided by 3. It can be shown as 3/1, which is 1/2 divided by 3/1, which looks totally insane and way too much stuff. So we're going to multiply by reciprocals to make that go away. And since we're dividing by the same thing on the top and the bottom, everything can cancel out like crazy. This cancels out, that cancels out, and then we end up with 1/6. So there's the arithmetic way to do it, and let's talk about drawing it. So we've got 1/2 divided by 3. Here's our 1/2 really quickly. We're going to break this into 3 relatively equal pieces. But you know my drawings are never perfect. And when we divide this into 3 relatively equal pieces, each piece is 1/6 of the original pizza. So when you have a fractional number divided by a whole number, you can use the partitive concept of division and break it evenly into this many pieces, and then your answer is the size of each piece. We'll talk about word problems in the article and in the discussion board.